When it comes to creating a welcoming and stylish atmosphere for your Redmond home, choosing the right door is essential. A door does more than just serve as an entryway. It's a key element in defining your home's exterior, enhancing curb appeal, and boosting security. With so many styles and materials available, it can be challenging to select the perfect door that complements your home's architecture while providing the functionality you need. Here's a customer-focused guide to the best door styles for homes in Redmond, whether you're upgrading an existing door or building a new home. Craftsman doors. The Craftsman style is a classic choice for homes in Redmond, particularly for those with a traditional or bungalow-inspired aesthetic. Craftsman doors are known for their timeless appeal, with clean lines, wood craftsmanship, and a focus on simplicity and function. These doors typically feature rectangular panels, intricate detailing, and may include decorative glass inserts. Craftsman doors are available in a variety of materials, including wood and fiberglass, and they often have large glass panels that allow natural light to enter the home. For Redmond homeowners, this style works well with the natural beauty of the Pacific Northwest, especially when paired with wood elements in the home's exterior. These doors are ideal for homeowners seeking a rustic, yet refined look that blends seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Modern, contemporary doors. For a sleek and minimalist look, modern or contemporary doors are an excellent option. These doors are perfect for homes with a modern design, offering clean lines, bold geometric shapes, and an emphasis on simplicity. Modern doors often feature large glass panels, which can be clear or frosted, and materials such as stainless steel, aluminum, or high-quality fiberglass. Redmond homeowners with contemporary homes or those looking to make a striking statement often opt for modern doors. The large glass panels allow for more natural light and can be customized with various finishes, such as matte black or wood grain, to match the surrounding decor. Modern doors are also ideal for homeowners who want a door that stands out and complements their minimalist or industrial-inspired home. French doors for homes with expansive gardens or patios, French doors are a beautiful and practical choice. French doors feature two hinged panels that open outward, allowing for a wide opening and creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. These doors are often made of wood, fiberglass, or steel, with glass panels that let in plenty of natural light. In Redmond, where outdoor living is popular, French doors are a great way to create an inviting and functional space. They are perfect for accessing a backyard, patio, or balcony, and they can make even a small space feel more open and airy. French doors are a great choice for homeowners who want to emphasize their connection to nature while maintaining a sense of elegance and style. Dutch doors. Dutch doors are a charming and versatile option for Redmond homes, especially for those with a farmhouse or cottage-style design. Dutch doors are divided into two sections, allowing the top half to open independently from the bottom half. This style is perfect for creating a breezy, open atmosphere while still maintaining privacy and security in the lower half of the door. Dutch doors are often used for backyards, kitchens, or barns, offering a practical yet charming way to connect with the outdoors. They are also great for homes with pets or young children, as they allow for ventilation without fully opening the door. The versatility of Dutch doors makes them a popular choice for homeowners who want a door that combines functionality with rustic charm. Pivot doors. Pivot doors are a striking and bold option for homeowners in Redmond who want to make a dramatic statement. Unlike traditional doors that swing on hinges, pivot doors rotate on a central axis, which allows for larger door panels that can be more visually stunning. These doors often have a modern design, with minimal framing and a focus on clean, uninterrupted surfaces. Pivot doors are often used for grand entrances or main doors in modern homes, adding a sense of luxury and style. They are ideal for homeowners who want to make an impression and have a taste for contemporary, high-end design. Pivot doors can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, glass, and metal, offering plenty of customization options to match your home's exterior. Solid wood doors. For a timeless and durable option, solid wood doors are a classic choice. Whether you prefer a traditional design or a more rustic appearance, wood doors can be customized to match any style. Solid wood doors offer a natural, warm look that is ideal for homes that want to make a welcoming statement. They are also highly customizable, with options for decorative glass, intricate panel designs, or even custom carvings. In Redmond, where the natural beauty of wood complements the surrounding forests and landscapes, solid wood doors are a perfect choice for creating a warm and inviting home. Wood doors are also durable, with proper maintenance, and provide excellent insulation and security. Steel doors. If security and durability are top priorities, steel doors are an excellent choice. Steel doors offer superior strength and are ideal for homeowners who want the peace of mind that comes with a highly secure entry. These doors are resistant to weathering, impact, and wear, making them perfect for homes in Redmond, where the weather can be unpredictable. Steel doors come in a range of styles, from simple, minimalist designs to more decorative options with glass inserts or intricate detailing. They can be painted or customized to match your home's aesthetic, offering both security and style in one package. Conclusion. Choosing the right door style for your home in Redmond is an important decision that can greatly affect the overall look, feel, and functionality of your property. Whether you opt for the rustic charm of a craftsman door, the sleek elegance of a modern design, or the timeless appeal of French doors, there are plenty of options to match your home's architectural style and personal taste. Investing in the right door not only enhances the curb appeal of your home but also provides increased security, energy efficiency, and comfort. Whether you're upgrading an existing door or building a new home, be sure to consult with a professional to ensure that your new door is properly installed and aligned with your design goals. With the perfect door, you'll create an inviting and stylish entryway that will enhance your home for years to come.